Okay, welcome back everyone, and congrats again to all the finalists of the Synapse competition and the Praxis Prize. The Praxis Prize is sponsored by Praxis Spinal Cord Institute in partnership with the Ontario Neurotrauma Foundation with funding from the Ontario Ministry of Economic Development, Job Creation and Trade. $25,000 is going to be awarded to innovators developing clinical products to improve the lives of individuals living with spinal cord injuries. The Praxis Prize is a culmination of months of work from a variety of people, but I want to thank from the Praxis Spinal Cord Institute, Bill Barable, the CEO, Fred Rigo, Director of Commercialization, and the rest of the Praxis team for their commitment to working with the Innovation Factory and the Hamilton community to make today possible. We're proud to partner with Praxis Institute to make this prize available to early stage innovation in support of patients who have suffered from spinal injuries, spinal cord injuries, or CSI. Or SCI. Praxis shares our commitment to providing innovators with the support needed to bring technology to market, to help save lives and to improve the quality of life for those suffering from spinal cord injuries. More importantly, we see the Praxis Prize as the start of an ongoing relationship. We expect innovative companies in Hamilton and across Ontario to use this new relationship to leverage their expertise, to leverage contacts, and even support some funding opportunities for those companies going forward. With that, I would like to welcome Bill Barable, CEO of the Praxis Institute. Bill?
Thanks so much, Dave, and thank you everyone for joining us today. On behalf of the Institute, I'm very pleased to be here today to present the Praxis Prize. But before I begin, I just wanted to take a moment to thank the Synapse team for their incredible efforts to make this virtual event possible, particularly in light of the changes that are taking place in the world right now. I'm very pleased that we're able to still connect with the winners and with all of you, all while we practice social, safe distancing in this time of crisis. For those of you not familiar with our organization, Praxis is a Canadian-based not-for-profit organization that leads global collaboration in spinal cord injury research, innovation, and care. We use SCI knowledge translation to bridge health evidence into real-world delivery. Our strength is our ability to connect people with spinal cord injury, researchers, healthcare professionals, investors, and innovators, breaking down silos to create solutions. As a neutral convener with a holistic perspective, Praxis functions as an agent of change, identifying priorities, marshaling resources, and driving innovation. A core component of our work is accelerating innovations such as medical devices and diagnostics that can improve the lives of people living with spinal cord injury. We are pleased to partner with the Ontario Neurotrauma Foundation and Innovation Factory on the inaugural Praxis Prize, which will be awarded to innovators working on cutting-edge products with a clearly articulated clinical application focused on improving the lives of individuals living with SCI. But first, why focus on spinal cord injury? There are countless other conditions, all of which have an urgent need for solutions. Spinal cord injury is an extremely complex and chronic condition. It is often considered one of the most catastrophic yet survivable injuries. For the 86,000 Canadians with this injury, there are crushing human costs associated with lifelong management of serious health issues, social isolation and depression, burdens of care on family, forced relocation to urban centers for access to health services, limited resources for self-management, and an unacceptable but perhaps not surprising 73% unemployment rate. And the economic impact is just as devastating. In Canada, the conservative estimated economic cost of traumatic spinal cord injury, such as those caused by motor vehicle accidents or a fall, is around $2.7 billion a year. In addition to human and economic impact of SCI, many people with SCI will experience a host of secondary complications, such as loss of bowel or bladder function, pressure ulcers, respiratory issues, and countless others. Many of these complications are not restricted to people with SCI. They can affect anyone with neurological or mobility issues, and that is why solutions for the debilitating conditions are so important. In addition, the research to implementation process, what we refer to as bench to bedside, is mired in obstacles such as a lack of funding and incentives. Collectively, the barriers and challenges in the SCI continuum are referred to as valleys of death. Praxis has a vision to help build lasting innovation in SCI through assisting innovations through every step of commercialization. And that is why we are so excited to announce the winners of the Praxis Prize. This prize will support entrepreneurs working on innovative interventions that will help improve outcomes. It also provides a tremendous opportunity for entrepreneurs and innovators to scale their solutions in support of people with SCI. So this brings us to the finalists. There are 3 finalists for the Praxis Prize with a total award value of $25,000. These awards are made possible through our partnership with the ONF and the Government of Ontario. Praxis created this prize with the intention of finding Ontario-based innovators working on cutting-edge products at technology readiness level 3 or higher, with a clearly articulated clinical application. The Praxis Prize supports entrepreneurs and researchers working on interventions that will improve health outcomes for people living with SCI. Our evaluation panel was composed of 5 individuals with spinal cord injury, SCI research experts, and the Praxis commercialization team. The panel was very impressed with the level of innovation of the applications, so it was a difficult decision to narrow it down to just 3. I'm pleased to announce the 3 finalists are Axcessiom creators of advanced driver assistance system that allows people with disabilities to drive their vehicles safely and effectively, especially those who require the use of both hands. While one hand operates the gas and brake, the other can operate the steering wheel. Using face recognition and artificial intelligence, their product allows individuals at SCI to easily operate secondary driving controls such as turn signals, wipers, and the horn. Nuro Corp, creators of Nuos, a neural operating system in which people with severe spinal cord injuries with akinetic mutism can communicate and compute using brain signals. And thirdly, Bisep, creators of a device called Ambulation, Retraining, and Mobility Mechanism, or ARM, that attaches an individual's wheelchair to their walker, providing lateral and posterior support so they can safely transfer from a wheelchair to a walker. The 3rd place winner of the Praxis Prize will receive $5,000, and the winning company is Axcessiom. Congratulations, Axcessiom.
We would like to sincerely thank all of those involved at Praxis, Synapse, and Innovation Factory for working hard and diligently for putting this prize together. As a person with a spinal cord injury myself, I think this is an excellent initiative that will make a tremendous impact on the spinal cord injury community as a whole and other related disabilities. This prize will help Axcessiom with the growth of our business by allowing us to hire a full-time engineering student and a full-time marketing student for the summer term with the help of matching funding. This will help us accelerate product and business development significantly, which will allow us to go to market sooner and provide thousands of people with the freedom and independence they deserve through the use of our technology. Once again, thank you very much for awarding us with this prize, and together we can make this world a better place.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The 2nd place winner of the Praxis Prize will receive $7,500. The winning company is Bisep. Congratulations, Bisep.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Amazing opportunity. Thank you very much to the Praxis Network, the Praxis Organization, Innovation Factory, all the other competitors as well. It's amazing that we made it this far, and I mean we're totally shocked at the outcome and being selected as one of the top 3. I think this is a great opportunity for us to fulfill our pre-orders help us get to commercialization and really impact those individuals with SCI. So thank you very much to Praxis, and thank you to everybody involved. Appreciate it.
Congratulations. And last but not least, the first place winner of the Praxis Prize will receive $12,500. The winning company is Nuro. Congratulations, Nuro.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
But
we'd like to-
we're truly honored by this amazing prize and this selection. First of all, I would like to thank Praxis and Spinal Cord Institute, as well as the Innovation Factory and Synapse for allowing us to be a part of this competition. We're really touched by the recognition that you're giving us today. We've been working for the past 6 years to bring a new us to an actual delivery to the patients that need it. And this particular prize is going to tremendously help us. We are at the merge right now of launching our first 2 Neuros products called Neuros and Neuros Research. And we will directly impact the lives of those patients, as well as their family members and the doctors and nurses and the daily caregivers that are handling those patients with no ability for them to communicate or compute. So we're tremendously thankful, and this prize will certainly help us accelerate our commercialization and bring our products to market throughout Canada. So thank you again so very much. It's a true honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well done, and congratulations to all 3 winners. On behalf of Praxis, we're very excited to see the progress of your companies. Thank you for the work that you're doing in improving the lives of people with spinal cord injury.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.